Okay, now we're gonna start all over. Now, in this build, we're gonna build the engine. Oops. Like that. It's gonna go back here. Ta-da! And look at this train. So we built our passenger train first, our passenger car, and then we built our engine, which is very cool. And then now they're gonna connect like this, and they roll together. Do you want to get your other two cars?
Yeah.
We just modified the bottom here, so now we can connect
Our
our
Lego
trains together. Here, snap those together again. Can't even get out of here. Here we go. Look at this train. Wow, that is super cool. I had so much fun with you today, Munchkin. High five.
Big high five.
Ow.